Hello. It is my simple Sunday video a day late. I work in retail, and this weekend holiday is what we call the Super Bowl of retail in our store. And it's been very busy, and my schedule has been really crazy. So I haven't been able to keep up with everything like I wanted to, but we're here now. So this is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm so glad that you have joined me today. And I'm Sherry, and we are going to do a very simple project that's a lot of fun. If you see anything that you like tonight, I would love it if you would go to my shop, creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net, and you can order the kit that we're going to be talking about this evening, and we can get that out to you as quickly as it's possible. All right, tonight we are going to look at our Let's Party Treat Packaging Kit. All right. Hi there. So what we're going to do, this kit comes with 8 treat boxes, and there's 4 of the blue and 4 of the yellow, and they're actually interchangeable. They have the double-sided, so if you want to do all 8 in the one color, you certainly can do that. But I'm going to go ahead and focus on just the 2 different ones so you know what they're like. Okay? All right, we are going to start with first we're going to stamp, okay? So I'm going to get my stamps together. Let's see. There's some cute sayings in here. One, it says, "You're the best." You can do a to and from. Hooray, it's your day, let's party, and for you, my friend. So let's go ahead and start with we're going to start with "You're the best." Now they left the Stampin' Spot, with the kit comes a block, the Stampin' Spot Misty Moonlight, some gems, some mini dots, and some dimensionals. I'm not going to use the spot because I use that for crafting that I do with my classes and so forth. But I grabbed my own Misty Moonlight, my own ink pad to use this evening. So we're going to start with, let's see, I got to make sure this is going to fit because it's pretty narrow. It also comes with the punch outs. I didn't bring them out. They come with the punch outs of some circles and that kangaroo and alligator. Aren't they cute? They're just really cute. I might try a different stamp because I don't want to not be able to use this. So I'm going to do, let's see, for you, my friend, and what do I want to do on the other one? Let's do "It's Your Day." Okay, now it should work. All right, I'm going to line this up. I like that these blocks are clear because I can lay it down here and then line it up right along the lines, and I know it will be straight. So I hope you've had a great day. Happy Memorial Day. We have a really special, unique thing that we do at our store, and that is, I'm going to try this again because it kind of spread out or something. I don't know. At some point in the day, one of our managers gets on the intercom and encourages everyone to take a moment of silence with us in honor of the fallen soldiers and those that are in service. And so it's a very special time. I'm so glad to be a part of a company that does that. Yeah, I hope that you all have had a great day as well, and that it just hasn't been a cookout day for you. I hope that you've had the opportunity to be grateful for friends and family that have been in the service or are in the service. Okay, and then on the other stamp, oh, it's got to be dried off a little more. Did I do? Oh, there we go. And this one, this is going to be for you, my friend. Okay. And we're going to stamp that on this one. Ah, shoot, the word for is all funny like that. Let's try it again. It's still a little spread out, but I think it'll be okay. All right. I'm going to close this up then. Again, that was our Misty Moonlight ink. And I'm just going to wash this stamp off. By the way, this is our scrub, our stamp and scrub. And on one side has the cleaning solution, and on the other side it's dry, so you can wipe it off. It's very nice. I love this tool. And again, it's called our stamp and scrub. You can find it in the catalog or online and have your own so that you have a way of cleaning your stamps. All right. All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to start by putting these boxes together. And I'm just folding these so that I can see where everything needs to go. All right. And what I'm going to do, this is our Terran tape. And this tape is very strong so that when you are working with treat boxes and that sort of thing, it holds them together very well. Much better than some other things work. So the Terran tape is a good thing. If you want something to stay together, like a box of some kind, they're the best. Okay. And then obviously I would have some treats that would work with that and to put in there. I just don't have any with me right now. And we're going to go ahead and, you know what, maybe I'll wait. I'll wait until I get the rest of the stuff on here so I don't smash anything. Okay. Then I'll refer to my directions real quick. I just want to double check and see. Okay, that's what I thought. All right, we're going to use our dimensionals to put our little circle on it. Oh, good thing I looked at that, because it's not pink on the other side. All right. And we'll put that right in the middle. And we're going to use some more dimensionals to put our kangaroo on. Isn't he? I think he's really cute. And we're just going to set him down right here. I'm going to use some dots. Some mini dots to glue our saying on. Oh, come on. There it goes. All right. And we're going to put "It's your day" right on there. And then we'll take a couple of our embellishments and we're just going to add them on here. There we go. Now, another thing that's really great about these is they're simple enough that even children can do them. So if this is something that you would like to get for a birthday party that your kids would enjoy making to put treats together for their friends, that would be, or even relatives, that would be something really super cool for them. So you might want to keep something like that in mind. I'm sure there are a lot of summer birthdays that are coming up, so you can make some cute little party favors. All right. We'll put some more tear and tape on this thing. Oh, no, it's just, oh yeah, that's right. I had to think about what direction this was headed. There we go. Good grief. I have nails and they just don't want to work. There we go. All right. Put that down. And then once again, we're going to use our dimensionals to put our circle on. And you can put you could probably do just 2 dimensionals and it might work, but I like to use more to make sure that everything sticks really well. So it's just a matter of preference. Oh no, I put it on the wrong side. Hopefully it didn't stick hard enough. I wasn't thinking. I'm too busy thinking about what I want to say to you. Let's see. There we go. Whew. It worked out just fine. All right, then we're going to put our little alligator together. I think he is so cute. Let's see, we'll put one over there. I always turn it over when they're narrow like that and make sure that this loose if it gets too high or something. Because they're bigger, I just go in there and cut it off so it evens out on the edges. All right. And we'll take these, put him right there. And we're going to take some more glue dots. This would be such a fun thing to do with your kids, and it would just be a good bonding time for you and your children. And it would be especially fun if they were doing it for their own party. Okay. For you, my friend. All right, and this time we're going to take some pink dimensionals. And we'll put one right there. Put one right there. And one right there. And I think I might even add a third one to my other one again. And we'll just put this one right there. There we go. So simple to make. So now we're going to put them together so they actually look like the treat box that they're supposed to be. And you just bend in the sides like that and makes a little pillow box is what that's called. Now, if you wanted to, you could take some more tear and tape and glue one of these sides down, but you don't want to put it on both because you want your guest to be able to get into them. So you can also do this the opposite way. Instead of making this the side that you open, you can put it on the inside and leave it like that too. So either way. But there we go. Actually, I think I like it better the other way. So I'm just going to flip them around because I want to. Okay. So there you are. We have two little treat boxes, pillow boxes, that can be done with your children for special events. And I think this is a great way to just spend time with them and do some fun and crazy things. So you have, thank you for joining me today on my Simple Sunday. You have, well, a day late, it's really Monday, but you have a great day, and I will see you on my Tickled Tuesday video, which hopefully I'll be able to do tomorrow. We'll see. That one might get delayed too because I've been behind. So anyway, you have a great day, and as you finish up your Memorial Day and your cookouts and time with your family and friends, have a good night.